Hey guys, in this lecture, we're going to continue on what we did on the previous lecture, and we are going to compare the difference between using inertia React versus Blade Breeze. So here I'm going to run the regular server like we always have done. PHP artisan serve on port 80, and here, PHP artisan serve. On here we'll run it on port 8080. So let's start both of them. Let's go into the browser and make sure they're running. Here this is the Breeze, and here 8080, this is the React one. Okay, now let's take a look at the folder structure of both of them. So on the right I have the React, and on the left I have the Blade Breeze. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to come into the router, and here, let me close this. Here, as you can see on the router, we have all the routes defined, and it returns always a view, or it takes you to a controller and then a function. This is the one for Laravel Breeze. But now let's take a look at how the React one works. And as you can see, instead of returning a view like the regular Laravel is doing with Blade, this one is going to return inertia and then render. So how does this work? Basically, here on the JS we have components, layouts, pages, and the regular Blade views are not really used. While here on the Blade, instead of having JS, what we have are actual views. And for example, here we have the dashboard Blade view. So if we take a look at this code, you're gonna see that the syntax looks like this. While here on the React, the dashboard would be located here under the pages JS. So as you can see, it's kind of similar but different. So the main difference is that the front end is all controlled by React, and it's a single page app, meaning that it makes requests to the backend for updating data, while the Laravel Blade refreshes the whole page every time to update data. So it's a big difference on how they work, and it depends on if you're more of a backend guy or more of a front-end guy. Depends which one you want to go for. So if you want pure Laravel code, no other framework, then you would go for Laravel Blade with Breeze registration. And here, if you want a front end that uses heavy JavaScript frameworks such as React or Vue, then you would go for this combination of Laravel plus React and using Breeze as the authentication. So as you can see, all the confirmed passwords, the forgot passwords, they're all here, and it's pretty much similar to the one of Blade, but over there we're gonna have it as views. What is the difference between using a Laravel Blade implementation versus a Laravel React implementation? So the React implementation is going to be a single page app, meaning the web page never refreshes, while the Blade app always refreshes. So what is the difference? For example, here we have a browser of a user. Let's mark it as B, browser. He makes a request to the server. The server is going to send back an HTML page, and then the HTML page is going to be loaded on the browser. Now when the user, for example, moves from, let's say, this page into the register page, things are gonna load. For example, when I'm gonna clean this here, and if you want to open this, you can just do like right click, and then you can do a view page, inspect, and then on the inspect you go into the network, and then here you put all. So here on the one with Blade, I'm gonna click register, and as you can see, it loaded a register page that you can see is here, it loaded the whole page. And then anything I do after that, it's going to refresh the page and it's going to load everything again. On the other hand, here on a single page app, let me clean this up. I'm gonna click here, register. You can see he didn't send me a whole page like it did on the other side. For example, here, if I preview, you will see that it sends information, but it's not the whole page. And then everything is composed by different parts or components. So after, when we register the user, instead of refreshing the page, it's going to just send AJAX calls, meaning this calls, to the backend. So here, going back to our drawing, here we're gonna have a browser on the React one. And first we're going to contact the server, and then the server is going to send back information. Now, moving onwards, every time that we need to request information to the server, it's going to send an AJAX call and update data without refreshing the page. While here, when we need information from the server, it's going to load everything again. So let's try it out. The registration, and here we're going to remove everything so that it's clear. And let's register. All right, so as you can see, for the dashboard, it gave me the whole page. Now let's do the same thing on the React and see what it returns. All right, let's try with the React one now, see how it reacts. All right, as you can see, now we're logged in, and here the dashboard, instead of being, you see it sends components, it sends props, etc., instead of sending the whole HTML page. And as you saw, when we went from the register into this page, the page didn't refresh. It updated the UI, but it didn't refresh the whole page. While here, we did refresh the whole page. So basically, this is an explanation of the difference between using React versus using Blade. And next, we are going to actually choose one of these two to then create a real app that we can deploy to a server. And I'll show you how to make this app into a business that you can get money from.